Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. In a further boost to the oil and gas industry, there's also announced she will ease restrictions on hydraulic fracturing or fracking in an attempt to energize more domestic productions of natural gas. One of the reasons that the current spike in the energy prices is hurting the UK. So hard is that its energy infrastructure is a legacy of a time when North Sea gas was plentiful and cheap. With the North Sea's field now largely depleted, the UK has swung to being a big net importer of natural gas. The Resolution Foundation's bill said Thursday, hidden from the fiscal implications of her plans. The new Chancellor of the Exchequer, Kwesi Kwarteng, will spell out the government's plans in more detail within a month, Thursday. Dollar slips, euro jumps on hawkish ECB stance. The US dollar weakened in early European trade Monday, while the euro jumps to a 3-week hike as traders resisted the European Central Bank's interest rate trajectory in the wake of last week's jumbo attacks, which tracks big greenback against a basket of 6 other currencies, traded 8% lower to falling back from the 20-year hike of seen last week. The European Central Bank raised its key deposit rate from zero last week, its largest ever hike, and President Christine Lagarde guided for another 2 or 3 hikes in an attempt to bring inflation at record levels back to the bank's target. This guidance for further aggressive monetary tightening has pushed the euro higher against the dollar, with euro up close to its highest level in 3 weeks. Thursday's step was a clear signal, and if the inflation picture stays the same, further clear steps must follow. Bundesbank President James Nagel said in a radio interview on Sunday. The ECB officials see a rising risk that they will have to raise their interest rate to 2% or more, at least another 125 basis points of hiking, to curb recording high inflation in the Eurozone despite a likely recession, Reuters report Monday. The single currency has also been boosted by the news of substantial territorial gains made by Ukrainian troops over the weekend, raising the potential, however remote, of an early end to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Playbacking on the euro's gains versus the dollar, although the latest economic data show that Britain's economy grew by less than expected in July when it expanded by 2% from June. Gross domestic product fell by 6% in June, which included 2 days of public bank holidays to celebrate the late Queen Elizabeth's 70 years on the British throne. However, heading back towards last week's 24-year high of just under 145, with the yen remaining rate sensitive, the Federal Reserve met next week and is widely expected to hike interest rates by a substantial amount once more. Fed Governor Christopher Waller said on Friday that he supports a significant increase at our next meeting, and since last Fed President James Bullard called for another hike of 75 basis points, which will be the third increase of this size in a row. This sensitive traded rate, with the yen remaining weak COVID-19 lockdowns continue to threaten a sharp reduction in output, the world's second largest economy. Though futures rise, US CPI reports loom surge. US stocks are seen opening marginally higher Tuesday, with investors cautiously awaiting the August Consumer Price Index release, which is likely to set the tone ahead of next week's Federal Reserve policy meeting. And the major equity average closed higher Monday, continuing last week's rally with the blue chip gaining over 200 points or 7%, the broad-based closing up 11%, and the tech-heavy market confidence appears to have been bolstered by the belief that has already peaked, and with this in mind, this August inflation report due 8 is firmly in the spotlight. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.